Welcome back to Tay's Fashion. So today I'm going to be doing an acrylic set on my left hand. I did use these XL nail tips that I bought from Amazon a couple weeks ago, and I already applied them on my fingers. So I did get these magnets to help me cut my nail tips even. So you just attach it to the bottom of it and it automatically sticks on. I do have a total of 12 magnets on there right now. From the looks of it, it's going to be too long, so I'm going to take some magnets off to cut them a little bit shorter. But I actually love these. It helps me cut them nice, straight, and even, and then also allows me to level off each and every nail tip. So I took about 4 off, and it left me with 8 on there, and we're going to see how long this is going to turn out. I'm not sure what design I want to go with, but I have been trying different designs. So it may be a mixture of different things in this video as well. And I think I'm going to go with a blue and a tan look. And I'm super excited to see how these are going to turn out today. I'm just trimming them up, just making sure that they're nice and even. And I've been going for long nails lately. Usually I go for short nails, but long nails have been the look. And this is the nail file I'm going to be using from Dynamic Nail Supply. And it's the 100 by 80 nail grit that we're going to be using. I do like this nail file because it does have a ruler on the side of it. So it actually shows me how long my nails are. And this nail tip is actually 2 inches long. And it also keeps it nice and sharp whenever following them to your right shape. And we're going to go for a square shape this video. Measure each and every nail. They are 2 inches long for each tip. And we're just gonna go ahead and shape up the top of them just to give it that extra edge. Also, whenever filing, make sure you're filing straight enough so it's no curve, or make sure that your shape is really sharp. Okay, so now that I finished filing the nail tips and shaping them up, I'm going to go ahead with my e-nail file to use my same band here to go ahead and blend in the nail tips. What I do notice about blending in your nail tips, that it makes it more natural and you don't see the line as much when applying the acrylic on top of it. So in the future, I do plan on having different videos, different shapes, different designs. So if y'all have any suggestions, please leave them down below in the comments. I have a lot of content that I think I want to try with my new nail journey, and I'm so excited to start using those designs and nail tips. So I'm also going to use this block I bought from Dynamic Nail Supply to go ahead and buff out these nail tips just to make it smooth and give it a smooth finish on top. It also takes away the extra shine from the nail tips. And this nail block from Dynamic is very firm, and it's also easy to work with. Okay, so this how they look so far after I buffed them out, and I just absolutely love how these nail tips are looking on my fingers. They're super cute, and I love the shape and how they come in. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and apply my acrylic application, and I'll be back in the video whenever I applied it, and we're going to go ahead and start filing and shaping that acrylic up. Okay, y'all. So this is how my nails look after I applied the application on them, and it is so pretty so far. I like how it's coming out, and I absolutely love this color. I did use the acrylic powder number 211, called Vintage Nude by Dynamic, and like I said, it's very easy to work with, and I absolutely love this color. I'm just gonna go ahead and file them and shape them up now, just so that whenever I use my evening file, I won't have to do as much work, but I'll still have to do enough just to give it that shape that I'm looking for. These are turning out so pretty so far, and I can't say anything for about this acrylic powder, but I love it. So I'm gonna just go ahead and shape them up, file them using my e-nail file, and then I'm gonna be smoothing them out as well. So we're just gonna do that for the next couple of nails. So now I'm going to be using the cuticle head to go ahead and clean up the cuticle area. I do have a 5-in-1 panel head coming in just for the cuticle area, and I'm super excited to use it. I want to see the results before and after, just because I seen a lot of reviews and they say it works really well, so I'm ready to put it to the test for myself. Now this one, it does work, but I don't think it works as well, being that it's not shaping the cuticle area how I want it to, and I also think that it's too light. This is the one that came with the e-file originally, and I'm just now starting to use it on my cuticle area. But like I stated, I'm just gonna see how the other one comes in. Now this is my pinky one, and this is the last one I'm gonna be using the cuticle head on. And it doesn't hurt either. It's pretty small, but yet sharp, but not sharp enough for me. So that's why I ordered a 5-in-1 head from Panther. Now I'm almost done. I did file them already, shaped them up, and did use the cuticle head to go ahead and shape up the cuticles. Now I'm just gonna buff out the top of them before I go in with my nail designs. I'm not sure what type of designs I want to do, but I do think I want to do something with flowers, maybe rhinestones, maybe some blue tips with butterflies, or something like that. I'm not too sure, but I'm also open to doing multiple designs on this set. So we're just going to see how it comes out. So this buffer from Dynamic is very firm, surprisingly. But this is how they turned out, and I love them. Okay, y'all, so this is the final result, and I absolutely love my nails. I have flowers, rhinestones, and butterflies. I did go with the top coat, and I think they look absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.